Hidden deep within a protected forest reserve is a private residence designed for the year 2050. A mansion that blends architecture, nature, and absolute luxury into one seamless experience. This is what tomorrow's luxury looks like when it respects nature. The estate begins with a secure perimeter wall crafted from natural stone and reinforced steel, designed to disappear visually into the forest landscape. The main gate is fully automated, made from brushed metal and dark hardwood panels. Facial recognition and intercom systems control access, while discrete CCTV cameras and motion sensors protect the entire boundary. Sculptural art pieces and shallow water features line the entrance path, while garden lights illuminate the forest canopy from below, creating a calm and dramatic arrival experience. Soft, neutral furniture, layered lighting, and acoustic wall panels create an environment that feels both open and intimate. The garage complex accommodates multiple vehicles, including dedicated bays for sports cars and electric vehicles. Inside, you'll find automated doors, EV charging stations, a car wash bay, tool storage, and a private detailing area. The front entrance features a massive pivot door crafted from solid wood and bronze trim. Inside, the foyer opens into a double-height space with marble floors and a custom chandelier suspended from the ceiling like a floating sculpture. A grand staircase curves upward beside a glass elevator, while green living softens the architectural lines. The formal living room is designed for hosting and elegance. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the surrounding forest, allowing daylight to flood the space. Soft, neutral furniture, layered lighting, and acoustic wall panels create an environment that feels both open and intimate. The family lounge offers a more relaxed atmosphere. Plush seating zones surround a central fireplace with smart glass walls that can turn opaque for privacy. This space is meant for everyday living, warm, quiet, and deeply connected to nature. The dining hall accommodates up to 16 guests beneath a sculptural ceiling installation. The main kitchen is built for professional-level cooking. A large central island anchors the room, surrounded by marble countertops, integrated ovens, smart refrigerators, and soft-close cabinetry. A walk-in pantry and coffee station complete the space. The wine bar is temperature-controlled and lined with floor-to-ceiling wooden racks. Behind the main kitchen sits a fully equipped service kitchen for heavy cooking, featuring industrial burners, deep sinks, and ventilation systems. The master suite is designed as a private retreat. A lounge area sits beside panoramic windows, while a private terrace opens toward the forest skyline. Natural fabrics and warm lighting reinforce the feeling of a luxury hotel room hidden in nature. Each additional bedroom is fully en suite, featuring custom closets, study corners, private balconies, and forest-facing windows. Every room is designed as a personal suite rather than a secondary space. The spa bathroom includes a soaking tub positioned beneath a skylight, rain showers, steam room, and double vanity counters carved from solid stone. The entire space feels like a wellness resort rather than a bathroom. The guest suite functions as a self-contained apartment, complete with a lounge area, luxury bathroom, and private terrace. It offers guests complete comfort without intruding on the main household. The private family lounge serves as a shared indoor retreat, ideal for late-night conversations or quiet entertainment. Soft lighting and sound-treated walls give the room a cinematic atmosphere. A bedroom is designed specifically for a teenager, combining comfort, creativity, and independence. The guest suite is designed to offer hotel-level comfort within a private residence. A dedicated lounge area sits beside floor-to-ceiling windows, opening onto a private terrace with forest views. The bedroom itself features layered lighting, custom furniture, and sound-insulated walls for complete privacy. The home cinema features tiered seating, acoustic panels, and a concealed projection system for an authentic theater experience. From above, the mansion reveals its true scale, a modern residence carefully placed within nature rather than imposed upon it.